Hey guys, I'm Grace. Welcome back to my channel, Everyday Barbie. So it's after Christmas, it's time to take down the decorations. It's a very sunny day, so that's why we've got the sunlight shining in here. I kind of like it, so that's why I didn't do anything about it. But yeah, today I'm just cleaning up my dollhouse. It's a wreck after a lot of filming. I've been kind of taking a little break. I don't know, maybe you guys have noticed. Taking a little break. I had that huge project that I had worked on. It was my very special Christmas movie, It's a Wonderful Life. Anyway, we're back at it, and of course I've got a lot to clean up, so yay. In between, or while I'm cleaning up, I'm probably just gonna ramble on annoyingly, like it's my very own podcast. Yay! No, I'm just kidding, but not about the annoying part. But I thought maybe after I'm done cleaning up my dollhouse, maybe I would kinda let you guys know what I have planned for 2025 for my dollhouse. Maybe answer some of your questions about it. Yeah, more on that later. I'm gonna try to stop saying so much, but we'll see how that goes. So what on earth? It's gonna be 2025. That's insane. Was it just me, or was 2024 one of the fastest, quickest years of my life? So much happened and changed in this 1 year. It's been crazy. Never would have expected all the twists and turns. It was last year that I came back and started doing my YouTube channel, so that was something. After 2 years, I hadn't been doing it. I just got real busy, and then I wasn't busy, and hey, here we are. And my goodness, so many people who enjoy Barbie dolls along with me. That's so fun. Also, I record in my closet. Yeah, if you heard that, that was my dog. He decided to join me. He's sitting right here recording with me in my closet. So anyway, where was I? That's right. Plans for 2025. I have some fun things planned. I have some doll rooms in the works. Oh, Ollie! It's fine. He wanted out of my room. He's gone now. Anyway, guys, I know I said that last year. I said last year, I had Chrissy's room in the works, and then it never happened. Can I tell you why? It's not because I'm ignoring you or just want to annoy you. So reason number one why it's taking me so long to do any major projects is because, for one, I don't have a lot of space to keep these projects. Number two, I don't have a lot of time. Those two things combined make things sometimes difficult to get done. So I am working towards, though, finding ways to make doll rooms, places to keep them and stuff. So it's not a big deal. It's stuff I can do. I just haven't gotten around to it. So that's my bad, guys. I'm gonna do a better job at it this year. So yeah, I do have some doll makeovers planned for this year. Decision making gets me, guys. Sometimes I just get stuck because I can't make decisions. Anyway, yeah, we're on top of my house now. I am cleaning up all the dolls that I have set up here. They just kind of have fallen over and stuff. I never did it properly, so today we're setting them up properly. I don't have enough doll stands, so that's a problem. I need to get more. Why don't I? It's the little things, But yeah, that's where we're at. So these past couple weeks, since I've been taking a little break from filming, I've been able to crochet a lot. I've been crocheting so much. It's been literally so fun. I think it's good if you have other hobbies or even other things you like to do. That way you can take a break from your other creative outlets. So that way you can come back and have fresh ideas, and that way you don't get burnt out. I don't know if that made sense, but I don't know. Crocheting's been fun, and I have some projects that I really want to do that might be too ambitious, that's just the way it is, and we'll see if they ever get done, but it's fun to dream. Same goes for my channel. I have so many projects lined up that I'm hoping I can get done. Sometimes, I don't know, I just get so many ideas. I just want to do them all at once because I'm scared, oh my gosh, I'm never going to get done, or I'm going to forget how I want to do it. I'm going to forget how to do it. It just gets overwhelming. That's why I hate Pinterest. So anyway, you guys let me know what you would like to see most on my channel coming up here. I like hearing what you guys want to see. Alright, so we've got these top all done, and I know I've been getting a lot of questions about Stacy and Chelsea's bedrooms. Barbie and Skipper have a bedroom, and I know you're like, hey, you have 2 cubicles up here. I don't. They're filled with squishmallows and other junk. No, I'm just kidding. It's because I can't film easily in those cubes. That is why they don't have one yet, but stay tuned. There may be an exception. For now, I'm just going to be replacing these vines on Skipper's room, so I'm like ripping them down. They look like they did. They're mostly faded from the sun. They used to be more green, now they're brown. I'm going to be using these fake string of pearls, and so I'm just, hot gluing them on the wall, replacing them where the old ones used to be. Pretty basic, but a necessary, needed change. So, I think it looks a lot better. It's green, it looks fresh. You guys let me know what you think before or after. I don't really like the dead ones so much, they're dead, but that's just me. I think it looks pretty good. That is all finished, guys. My house is all cleaned up. I'm ready for another year of filming. We'll see how it goes. Definitely let me know what you'd like to see in the future here. I will... There's so many possibilities, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.